fun thing to do. You know, we're kind of sitting there all bored. Let's get to know each other a little bit better. Hello there. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. If you are new here, be sure that you stick around a little while, look through some past videos, and if you like what you see, click that subscribe button, ring that bell so you don't miss another upload. So today I'm going to be unboxing a subscription box that I am so excited to be getting into, and it's really a box that I think that we could all use a little of. It's pretty much like a box full of happiness. And this box is TheraBox. This is what this month's box looks like. It's a really nice, lovely, calming lavender color. Before we get into the actual goodies in the box, let me give you the details of this subscription. TheraBox is a monthly subscription box. It is a self-care subscription box that was started by a practicing therapist. So every month, each box contains a self-care activity as well as 6 to 8 full-size products that have wellness in mind. As far as pricing, this box, sort of like every other subscription box out there, the longer that you subscribe, the deeper of a discount that you get. Subscribe to this box on a month-to-month basis. Your cost will be $34.99. And if you do like what you see in this box, I do have a link down below that you are more than welcome to use to get your little box of happiness. Okay, let's see what they have inside. Ooh, all right, so this is what the box looks like. It is nice. I'm glad that the lavender theme extended to the inside. And this month's theme seems to be blossoms, some beautiful blossoms on here, just perfect for the springtime. So this is the booklet that has the information about all of the products as well as the retail value of the products. I'm going to put it to the side, but I will be referencing as I take out products, just to kind of give you guys a little bit of information about them. And at the very end, if you are interested in that retail value, I'll add that on up, I'll put it on the screen for you guys. Let's see. All right, so the first thing that I'm pulling out of this box, I've never tried before, but I have seen this type of item kind of floating around the internet. I've never seen this brand though. They are nail wraps, and it is from NC Los Angeles, NC Los Angeles, and they're designer nail wraps. So this is 2 applications in here. These just fit on your nails, and they're supposed to be like super sturdy as well. Cute little springtime colors. These are going to be perfect to wear and kind of cheer me up as, you know, as I'm stuck in this house, as everyone else is. So really cute. All right, so the next item that I'm pulling out is a skincare item, and it's a face mask. It's a sheet mask. I love sheet masks, so I'm really excited about this one. And it is a very simplistic sheet mask because it has only one ingredient. It is from Midflower, and the one ingredient is Rosa Damascena flower water. So you leave this bad boy on for an hour, and it's supposed to do, you know, all of those good things that face masks usually do. Minimizes your pore, moisturizes, refreshes, and really helps with rough skin. I am so excited to be trying this out. I'll probably be trying this out later on this week or sometime next week. I'm going to be filming this kind of like a before, during, after sort of little tiny video over on Instagram. So go on, follow me over there so that you don't miss my full review of this mask. So the next item is an item that I would never actually pick up for myself at all, but I have seen this floating around the internet, that people have unboxed things and gotten it. Most people really do enjoy this. It is a sponge from Spongili, however you pronounce that. And this one is in the scent Freesia Pear. I'll open it up and smell it. So the thing, let me open it up and show you guys. The thing with this is it's a sponge and it has the soap inside, so it's a multi-use thing that you can just, oh my gosh, this smells so good. Oh my goodness, this smells amazing. I thought that it was going to be like really heavy on the pear scent, which I'm not that big of a fan of the pear scent, but it is really big on the freesia. Oh, that is, oh, just a beautiful springtime scent. Perfect for blossoms. So yeah, so this is just multi-use, and you kind of use it and you have, you know, a little sponge once the soap is all done with it. Ooh, I see a skincare brand that I absolutely love, Skin & Co. Roma, and this is part of their Truffle Therapy collection. I used a Truffle Therapy collection item, what was it? It was a makeup remover, a cleansing oil, which was like magnificent. It was one of the best makeup removing oils that I have ever used before. And currently I am using an exfoliator from this line. And this is the whipped cleansing cream. So now I have like, unless they have like a moisturizer in the collection, I will now have tried everything in that truffle therapy collection. So this is something that I definitely need during at-home time. And this, from the looks of it in the booklet, is that self-care activity. But it is a question pile and it's called Discover Yourself. It's 31 questions for self-knowledge. All right, let's open this up and see what one of those questions is. Oh, I thought so. So the design of this, I was reading the back. The design of this, as you guys can see, it has the gold and the crack. It's designed by the Japanese art of kintsugi, which I know that I am mispronouncing that, and I do apologize, but I do love that form of art. It's where the artists take broken pottery and they line the broken pieces with gold to make something broken beautiful. Ooh, took a while to get into that sucker. All right, so let's see what one of these questions is. All right, so the first and only question that I will answer for you guys on here, what's one compliment I struggle to accept about myself? That would be every compliment. I'm really, really bad at receiving compliments anytime someone compliments me. I think it stems back from a time that I was like really heavily bullied, and people would compliment me and then go right ahead and just go ahead and like make fun of me because they were complimenting, like their compliments were actually making fun of me. So now every single time that someone compliments me, I think that they're actually making fun of me. So I'm really bad at accepting it. So, wow, okay, see, like this is a perfect thing. This would be really great for journaling as well. Definitely going to be, I might just randomly answer these like on like Instagram Live or YouTube Live. That might be a fun thing to do. You know, we're kind of sitting there all bored. Let's get to know each other a little bit better. All right, and ooh, I love the packaging on this. It was a little hard to read, but I love the packaging. It looks like it's a K-beauty brand, and it is I'm in Love Rose Heart. Let me see what the actual brand is. Is not in English. The actual brand is Fox Corporation, and I'm in Love Rose Blossom Hand Cream. Right, so assuming this smells like roses, but let's see exactly how intense. Oh, it's so cute. I love lotions that look like this, that look like little painter's tubes. All right, so the very small print. It is excellent moisturizing, a romantic scent, and smooth texture. It smells fantastic. I absolutely love it. I've actually smelled like this is like quite rosy. I'm a huge fan of rose scents. So if you may not be, you may not like this, but oh, it is fantastic. I love it. And it's not too like old lady rose smelling. I know that sometimes rose scented things smell really old lady. This does not. All right, and another skincare item, and this time it is from Dr. Botanicals, and I love the no waste packaging that this comes in. This is the Amazonian Berry Protecting Day Moisturizer. It feels quite heavy. This is vegan and cruelty-free. Let's see, palm oil-free, and in the natural skincare category, which that does remind me, just kind of a heads up for you guys. If you ever wonder what all of those like different like things like I just said, like natural skincare, cruelty-free, vegan, all of that means as far as skincare and makeup is concerned, make sure you do click that subscribe button, ring that bell, because you will be notified. In a few weeks, I'm going to be uploading a video all about those sort of like makeup and beauty like hot terms, and you don't want to miss out on that. It's going to be super informative. So this is what it looks like. It feels like a glass bottle. I'm not sure if it's glass or if it's just a really heavy plastic. And this smells, I mean, it's an Amazonian berry. It smells like berries. So this, oh, that smells fantastic. Definitely going to rotate this into my skincare routine. Let's see when you're supposed to use it. In the morning. All right. So you're supposed to use this in the morning. So I'm going to add this to my morning skincare routine, which is great because I just ran out of my morning moisturizer, and it soothes inflamed and damaged skin whilst brightening and deeply hydrating the skin for an all-over moisture and protection. Excited about this one. And the last item, guys, we finally made it to the last item. This box had a lot in it. I am impressed with the value of this. This looks like it is another skincare or just beauty. It's a hair treatment mask. Okay. All right. It's from Skin Chemists London, and it is a biotin, caffeine, and collagen hair treatment mask to smooth hair. It says smoothen hair. Is smoothen a word? Anyway, smoothen hair. All right. So this is what it looks like. It is just a big old tub. And let's see. It is a mask that you apply to wash towel dried hair. Leave it on for 10 minutes and just rinse it thoroughly. So just a really deep conditioning treatment mask. I can't place that smell. It smells good. It just smells like really fresh and clean. Like, you know, those like plugins that are like breeze, like air breeze. That's what it smells like. It just smells really, really fresh and clean. So I do know that some of you guys are interested in the retail value of what does come in your subscription boxes. So if you are that person, I am now going to run down sort of Price is Right style, all the retail value prices as found in this booklet for everything that came in the box. So the first thing is our Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream. And this has a retail value of $28. All right, next we have our Spongili, that sounds like it's right, multi-use body wash infused butter. That has a retail value of $16. Our Mid-Flower Rosa Damascena Biocellulose Peel Mask has a retail value of $15. What is a retail value? Retail value of $15. All right, so the Skin Chemist Hair Treatment Mask has a retail value of $75+. I don't know why the plus. It's a British brand, so this is worth 59 pounds. So I guess the conversion would be plus or minus depending on pound to dollar, US dollar difference. So $75+. All right, the Dr. Botanicals is the same. It's a conversion. So Dr. Botanicals is 19 pounds or 24 plus or minus US dollars. Our NCLAC, I didn't even read this whenever I pulled these out. These are specially designed for TheraBox, but these have a retail value of $10. And the last wellness product within this box was our hand cream from Fox Corporation, and it is the I'm in Love Rose Blossom Hand Cream that has a retail value of $7. So our self-care, discover yourself kind of card deck, that's what I couldn't think of before. Card deck has a retail value of $15. So that was everything that came in this month's TheraBox box. So once again, if you do have any questions about TheraBox or you would like to subscribe to this box, there is a link down below in the description that you can use. Feel free to do so. That is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you for spending a little bit of your day with me, and I'll see you later. Bye.